it's so cold out today, but there's my truck and I miss it so bad. So bad. Hey guys, welcome back. Whew, is it cold? Well, I recorded videos Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Today's Sunday, January 19th, and I did it for 3 days, and I got smart. I changed the resolution of the camera so it came in like crystal clear for you guys. Well, turns out all that recording, well, my computer can't see it. So they were completely garbage. All of them. Kind of really ticks me off, but it is what it is. I mean, you know, you got to play with it to figure out what you did was wrong. So one guy did mention my air dryer couldn't be welded on the webbing, or I should say, he said I wouldn't weld it the way you welded it on the webbing. So I immediately went up there, took the camera that you can't see now, and fixed that. So that's fixed. So I put a bracket on there so it stays off the webbing. So thank you to that guy for reaching out and telling me that. Go check him. He wants to see the rooster. You know, they love it. What?
Look, the frozen egg.
Oh, I know. What? Yeah. Turkey. Alright guys, well that's it. Yeah, I'm kind of still upset that footage didn't pan out. You know, I was trying to just give you the best quality you possibly can get, but it was so good that it didn't work. We had the farm all out earlier today. I'll show you another little tiny clip I got off of it because I had the other camera running. I had two at one time going. Okay, so some of the things you guys missed when I erased all the videos because they weren't taken correctly. I did a cold start on the B model Mack for you. I turned all the lights on, showed you all the lights. I went over the truck real quick, just explain again one more time what was all on there for everybody joining in. I did the air dryer fix on the A model. So I'm gonna go here real quick and I'm just gonna give you a follow-up of what's going on. I'll show you everything. I have some cool footages of the B model starting up in the cold. And I just didn't think it was really right to just say, oh, my videos got erased, so sorry about that. So I'm gonna take some time out real quick. I came up here for you guys. Let's do 2 cold starts. We'll do the tractor and the truck. The truck, I don't know if it was in one of my videos already posted or not, but the generator was bad on the truck. The regulator was bad on the truck. I fixed the regulator, fixed the generator, still had troubles with it. It was charging after I fixed both of them, but when we shut the truck off, after a couple minutes, the generator started smoking. So there was a wiring issue or something happened with that generator. But anyhow, we got rid of the whole system. I was just fed up and done with it. So I got rid of them, and now we put an alternator on the truck. So I did start the truck, let it run for about an hour just to charge those batteries up, make sure they were charging. That's why I did the cold start. So we'll do the cold start on that one first, and then let them batteries charge up again just to do it. And then we'll start the tractor. It's an old Russian tractor, 80s. We'll fire it up, it should start. And we'll go inside the shop and I'll show you the A model, what got done. And then we'll call it a night, okay? This is for you guys. So I had the camera mounted right here on the back of the welder. And I'll do it again so you can see it. Sounds so nice. I love it. All right, let's try this guy. Brake. Yeah, that thing's just loping over there. Okay, let's try this one again. let that one charge up too. This really cold temperatures kill these batteries if they haven't been running in a while. Listen to that thing just low. That whole valley smoked up. All right, let's go inside and I'll show you what I did with that A model. Well, there it is. All right, so like I said, that I don't remember the name off the top of my head, but one of them you guys said about the air filter being welded to the webbing. So I immediately came over here and addressed that issue. You can see I have it cut. I kept it off the webbing now, and I got brackets that go behind there straight to the frame with another bracket. So it is bolted to the frame. It's not welded to the frame anymore at all. So it's bolted. It's tight as can be. Okay, some of you guys have noticed, I think I heard it about 2 months ago or so, that I was losing some weight. I have lost about 40 pounds. The trick to that was keto. So if you guys want to look into that, if you're trying to lose weight and don't feel like exercising like me because you work a full day and you come home and you just want to relax and not run on a treadmill or go to the gym, keto. That means basically protein only, which was easy for me. I love my steak, I love chicken, I love shrimp, I love fish, I love crab. The only problem I have with it is it's a little bit more expensive, but I lost 40 pounds in about 5 months, and I still do what I want. Like, I still drink, but you have to use, like, if I want to have a Captain and Coke, I have to have a Captain and a Diet Coke. So I can still do that. I can still eat normal lunches. I can get salads. So anyhow, that's the thing I did. I did the keto, and it really worked. It even had my dad got on it. The only thing that sucks about that is if you're smoking, what I learned from him is he picked up on smoking more, but he lost weight. So it's a catch-22 there. You have to quit both and just stick with it. But I didn't, at the time when I lost a lot of weight in them 5 months, I did not cheat. I didn't give myself any cheat days. The problem with me is if I cheated, I'd just go right back. So I think I started it in June, and I stopped right after, no, it was before June. I think it was like beginning of May, April, May, somewhere in there I started. And then I never cheated besides maybe 1 or 2 days, all up to August 30th, which was our wedding. So that was when we got married. I cheated the day of our wedding. I cheated the day after our wedding. And then I would do once a week I cheated. I'd pick a cheat day once a week and did that all up till Thanksgiving. And then from Thanksgiving till New Year's, I didn't care. I just ate whatever I wanted. From the time frame I got married till January 1st, I gained 6 pounds back. So there you go. I started the keto again, very strict. I cheat about once a week maybe, and I'm pretty much all the way back down to only about 2 pounds I'm overall gained. So I lost already about 4 pounds since that month. So it goes away pretty quick if you stick with it. But like I said, a lot of people are trying to look for a way to lose weight and not run 6 miles when you're exhausted from working all day. And that is the easiest thing that I came up, well, I didn't come up with it, but that's the easiest thing that worked for me. Actually, a little bit warm in here. I'll show you. Let me turn the radio down. Okay. Defrost works. 2 speeds, high and low. Okay, that's defrost. And then the regular heater. That's low. That's high. And with defrost on. So fan works anyway. I don't know about the heat too much, you know. Hardly gets warm. Again, we just went all the way down to Lowe's and came back. I think it's about, I don't know, 4 miles, 5 miles, 4 miles each way. And you can see the heater here goes up just a little bit past 100, right about 105. So yeah, not very warm, but that's just how these trucks ran.